Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum friends. It's me Chaudhary and you are watching Harim GTV. Friends, as you know that we have started a project of free learning course in MS Excel for new learners. This project basically for those people who are beginners in MS Excel, who are new students of MS Excel, who want to learn MS Excel from start and want to be expert of MS Excel. We have already uploaded 5 lectures named as lesson number 1, lesson number 2, lesson number 3, lesson number 4 and lesson number 5 regarding MS Excel on this channel. We have tried that we will simply cover a single topic in a short video of 5 to 6 minutes. We will not overburden the students, the new learners with complicated things. We will simply discuss a small topic, a single topic, to teach them, to educate them about MS Excel. So, the people who are new on my channel, please, it is requested that subscribe this channel and press bell icon button so that all informative videos may reach them easily. So, move to the topic. Our today's topic is how we can change the background color of cells in a spreadsheet. As I have already told you people that this box in a spreadsheet is known as a cell. When we click here, this cell becomes active. All other cells are inactive. To make any change in the spreadsheet, you have to make the cell active. Without making this cell active, we can't write here anything, we can't edit data, we can't make any change here. So, today we will discuss how we can change the color of background of a cell and text and numbers. To change the background of these numbers, we will select all these cells from A2 to A9. Cell name I have already discussed in my first lesson how we measure the name of the cell. A cell name is basically a combination of column and row number. So we have selected these numbers. Now we will find paint bucket on the Excel ribbon. This is basically Excel ribbon and this is here we can see paint bucket. We will click here left arrow, right down arrow, and you can see the box of colors. You can select here any of the color what you want to make the background changes of these cells. You can move here your cursor, you can see the changes in the background of cells. And to fix the color, you will click left button of the mouse and color will be fixed here. If you don't want to select this color, you have another option. Select these numbers and press the down arrow of the paint bucket and come here on more colors and you can select from here any color of your choice to make background changes of the cells. Now after making the changes in these cells, you can select A1. Now you will make the change of background color of this text. Same practice will be repeated here. You will click here and some contrasting color will be selected here for text. After selecting and making the changes of color of the cells, now you can make the changes in the color of the text as well, text and numbers as well. So please select all these data and go to the Excel ribbon. You can see here A which represent the text color. You will press here to the down arrow and you can select here text of as you want. The number and the text color has been changed as was changed in the background of the cells. If you don't like this color, you can select more colors from this color box to make this sheet attractive and want to make changes of the colors as you want. Now the color of the text and the cells has been changed. This was just an example. You can make these changes as you want, as you like. I have told you just a method. So this was our topic of today video. I hope you like this video. Please share this video to the friends. We will be available in the future with a new video of MS Excel learning. So keep tuning with us, be with us, and take care of you and your family. Allah Hafiz.